Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a special acrylic painting project inspired by a beautiful tulip from my garden. I'll be painting a striking red tulip on a black background with some added golden touch in it. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Here I have taken 8 by 8 inches stretched flat canvas and I want my tulip to look very vibrant and lively. So decided to paint the background with black color. So evenly spreading the paint on canvas using flat brush. Once you are satisfied with the background, let it dry completely. Let's start painting the tulip itself. I'm using the scarlet red color to paint the petals. Observe the brush strokes and the hand movement. Make sure to give 2 to 3 layers of paint to get a nice deep color and also a smooth texture. Moving on to the stem and leaf part. To paint the stem, I have used yellow-green color to give the tender and soft look. Now to paint the leaves, I'm using a mix of green tones to create some natural variation. Remember, leaves are just as important as flower itself. Observe the brush stroke. It is a single brush stroke from bottom to top. I am now adding some details to the petal to give more depth to the flower. I use slightly darker shades near the base and the white color near the tip of the petal. Now I am adding more layers to the petals to give a nice deep color and smooth texture. Similarly, adding a white border to the leaves to make it more prominent and highlighted. Finally, it's time to peel away the masking tape. This movement brings me immense joy and satisfaction, revealing a flawless painting with crisp, clear border. And for the touch of elegance, I am adding this gold paper to the leaves. This will give them a beautiful shimmer and a bit of extra flair. I apply the gold paper carefully, making sure it sticks well. And here is the finished piece. The red tulip really stands out against the black background, and the gold essence on the leaves add a lovely touch of shine. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this painting tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art videos. Let me know in the comment section what you would like to see next. See you in the next video.